Google Classroom Part 3 Intro. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another tutorial vlog. Thank you for going back to my channel. So this is part 3 of the Google Classroom series na ginagawa ko dito sa aking channel. For this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to use Google Classroom as a teacher and as a student using your smartphone or computer. For teachers, I'm gonna show you how to create quizzes and assignments. And for students, I will show you how to answer these assignments and quizzes and submit it to your teacher. So let's go! By the way, Google Classroom is a free online collaboration tool developed by Google for schools, specifically for teachers and students. This tool is very helpful when it comes to distance learning or online learning. So let's start with quizzes. So let's open our Google Classroom. or topic. Alright, so we're done with our teacher's view. So let's now go to our student view. So for students, para masagutan yung quiz, check what will happen after your student completed answering your quiz. So, go back to your classwork tab and then click this quiz number 1. So, sa handed in na portion, you can see that one student submitted their quiz. So, all you have to do is click this one. So, makikita mo dito si Arvin student na tapos na sagutan yung kanyang quiz. So, to check his answer, all you have to do is click this Google form. And then sa lower right, click the pencil icon. And then click responses tab. And then click this create spreadsheet icon. This one. So, after clicking that icon, gagawa siya ng spreadsheet for summary of all responses from student. So, click this create button. Ayan, so this is the spreadsheet from Google Classroom. So, makikita nyo dito yung mga details ng students ninyo. And then yung score nila dun sa quizzes. So, for example, ang score na nakuha ng student mo ay 1. Ayan. You can go back to Student Work tab and record the score. Or you can copy this to your class record. So, that's it guys. I hope you learned something about the Google Classroom series na ginawa ko dito sa aking channel. And looking forward ako na ma-apply nyo to sa inyong mga online classes. Again, this is Arvin Alejandro, your host in EdTech Tutorials. Thank you so much for being here and see you in the next video.